Okay, I forgot to mention that this is also how I store my art. You know those plastic that comes in, that you, when you buy a mattress, they seal it in plastic. Well, this is what that is. I try to recycle as much of my plastic as I can. So I make my own little sleeves for my artwork. So you can see, and then I tape it. And so that way when I'm storing it until it's sold, it stays safe in plastic. And the other thing I was going to mention is the supplies that I use and the instruments that I use to help make my videos are going to be in the description below. So if you are having any questions about what I use in my business as far as social media goes and things of that nature, and even some of the supplies that I used in this piece, you can click on the links below in the description and they will assist you in creating your own textured artwork. Thank you very much for watching. This is Whimsy Ray's Artistry. Bye.